Good morning, everyone. Thanks for coming. I'm Amy Hong. I'm from taking care of the North American market in Dji Agriculture Department. Today, I'm so excited that I have the chance to give you an introduction about our latest Agras T16. And I assume most of you have already known about the MG series like MG1, MG1P. And MG series is regarded as the best spraying drone for the first generation with a many cogent advantage. But we never stopped our step to challenge the limit. So here comes the T16. How does one to define the next generation of the spraying drones? In the past few years, we got thousands of inquiries asking about the spraying drones with higher efficiency, stability, and intelligence. So to better satisfy the market, we target T16 as the spraying drone with the more efficient and more reliable and more intelligence. So how can we achieve this? Let's see. Let's see how T16 make it come true. First, we can have an overall look at the design of T16. Maybe most of you have already seen this at our booth. It should be up here. Yes, you can see here is the briefly overall design of T16. So my presentation will concentrate on the three key concepts I mentioned in my last slide. The first will be the more efficient, how we achieve it to be a more efficient tool for the spraying. Supported by its outstanding flight performance, the T16 can carry up to 16 liters, while the MG1P will carry 10 liters. So the payload increased to 44%, and the spraying width has increased to 6.5 meters. The spraying width for MG1P is 5 meters, and the payload radius is 0.4. This means the effective payload divided the total takeoff weight. This means the effective payload takes up to 40% of the takeoff weight of the aircraft. The higher payload radius it is, the better engine system is equipped with. Maybe you have no idea about this. For example, most of the spraying drone in the market, the payload radius is 0.3 to 0.35, and 0.4 is absolutely very favorable specification. And the spraying system has 4 delivery pumps and 8 sprinkles with maximum spray rate of 48 liters per minute. So this increase is more than double of MG1P, while MG1P the spraying rate is 2.1 liters per minute. The spraying system also has an all-new electromagnetic flow meter, providing higher precision and stability than conventional flow meter. Here you can see the structure of the rotor design. We adopt a 6 rotor structure designed for T16, and unlike the ordinary 6 rotor structure, we have modification for the rotor operation direction. So in this way, it can maximize the spraying width and greatly optimize the uniformity and reduce the suction problem in the central area, and optimize the settlement effect too. We can see the comparison in this picture. And we did not only do static wind field analysis, but also we do dynamic wind field analysis. Dji is the only company to do the analysis experiments like this, and which shows us we really care about the technology. So to sum up the total, we got the application data from the field. The T16 spraying rate is 10 hectares per hour. So if anybody knows how many hectares can MG1P have? 6 hectares for MG1P. And we can have a look at the design of it's a brand new design for T16. It's a modular design concept for this one. So it's very easy for swappable, for battery and spraying tank, to shorten the replacement time during the operation. And an IP67 provides reliable protection for key components, and a light and yet durable air frame is made of carbon fiber and can be quickly folded to 24% of the original size, make it easier for the transportation. Both the battery and the spraying tank are easily to swappable, significantly improve the operation efficiency. And we also have a DBF imaging radar. The T16 operating radar system can sense operating environments during the day and at night without being affected by light or dusk. So this has significantly improved flight safety with forward and backward, and to avoid obstacles. Besides a horizontal FOV of 100 degree, double of that of the previous Dji agriculture drones, it can also detect the angle of a slope and adjust it to automatically even in mountainous terrain. This innovative radar system adopts digital beamforming technology, which support 3D point cloud images that effectively sense the environment and help to circumvent the obstacles. And this is a brand new design for the intelligence circumvent obstacles. We can create smooth flight paths and to avoid the aircraft to become destroyed by some sudden change. Can sense the obstacles in real time. And T16 is the standard specification for T16 is equipped with the RTK. So T16 provides different modes of flat ground, mountains, and ultras to meet most of the operation scenario. Use the T16 with DJI Terra to build a 3D models of the operation area and identify full tree with AI technology, then create 3D operation plan according to tree distribution and altitude. Last but not least, I would like to share more about the regulation in the United States from the for T16. So for all kinds of the commercial drones, we need to get the Part 107. That's the first step. And next, if you applied it for the agriculture spraying drones, we need to get a Part 137. This may take around 4 to 6 months to get the certificate. And since T16 is more than 55 pounds, so it requires exception 333 to get the drones that is overweight, and this will take another 4 to 6 months. So it will be a very long process to fly a heavy drone in the agriculture spraying. So, thank you.